Hey Doodlebugs, let's draw Bluey. Okay guys, we're going to start with a very slightly curved line somewhere near the left, the middle to left of your paper. And then this is going to curve around, down and across to there. Just going to tidy that up just slightly like that. Then I'm going to do a small bean shaped inside like that and darken that in to make a pupil. And then from the middle I'm going to do a line going across and put a slight curve like that. Now just under this eye I'm going to do another little curved line like that, and then from there I'm going to go down, across and up to there. Then we'll draw this nose shape, it's sort of an upside down triangle with curved edges like that. And then we can darken that nose in. While I'm doing this, is a good time to say, feel free to pause if you need to guys. I know I can go too fast sometimes, there's no rush. Now from the middle of this nose I'm going to curve a line going round to match that other eye, going down and around to there. And then put that pupil just in there. Doesn't matter if it doesn't come out exactly the same, this is your own version of Bluey. Now up above these eyes I'm going to do another sort of bean shape, slightly curved to make these eyebrows, and another one that side like that. Bring that up just slightly. And then to the left of that shape I'm going to bring a line going down quite straight like that, and another one on this side with a very slight curve to it, not much at all, almost barely noticeable. Then under here I'm going to do a straight line going across, and then a straight line going across between these eyebrows here. Then we can do a curved line going behind that eyebrow and a curved line going behind that one. And then the same below, a curved line here, giving those nice round bluey edges. Again, just going to tidy that up a little bit there. Now up above this corner we're going to go up and put a slight curve coming down to there. And then this side we're going to go up, curving back and down to there. Now we're going to do the inside part of the ear, up and down, up and down like that. Underneath here we're going to do some legs, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go out, around and up, And the same again here. Out, around, and up. Now we're going to do a sort of curved toe and a curved toe, and the same again on that side. And then just under where this mouth is, we're going to do a line going down and a line going down like that. And then under here we're going to do a little thumb, match it on that side, and then a finger and a finger, and then another finger and another finger, and the same again on this side. Now this side I'm going to do a curved line like that, and then another one and another one, and then we're going to do another line coming all the way back over to here to make a tail. Now there's a few lines we're going to mark in here for when we shade it in, so we're going to do a faint curved line like that on the tail. There's a little bit of a circle there, and then a smaller one just above, and then we've got one over here, and then one going under this eye like this, and then above the eye to there, and then we've got another one up the top there, and slightly lower under the eye this side like that. Now she has some other patterns, so she'll have a line above these legs here, and one's above the hands there, and a circle going round like that. The reason I'm not going to draw them in is when I colour it in, it's better if it's nice and faint, so you'll see when I colour it in, but if you wanted to draw those in, they'll be on there. So a line above that leg, a line above that leg, a line above there, a line above there, a circle going around like this, and then a little circle going around the mouth there. But you'll see as I colour it in. But basically, there you have Bluey. Would you like to see your drawings on the channel? If you've drawn along to any of the tutorials, please email them to artfuldoodlebug@outlook.com and I'll feature the best ones here.